Hi everyone, I just want to talk about sports psychology first exam that you're going to have to do. I put it up in week 5, as you can see, so I'm just going to put you onto files share so you can see my screen. So what you need to do is go to My City on week 4. What you'll find is you've got tasks to do with team cohesion, you've got to talk about motivation, and then you also need to do confidence and fill out the relevant tasks and go through the reading. Make sure you're ready. And then the last one here is exam revision for the LO1, which is basically what I'm going to talk you through next. It'll open up this Wednesday, and you've got 3 weeks to complete it. As you can see here, you've got from the 1st of April, it opens, and it's not due to the 22nd, so the week you come back after Easter. So you can do it in any time in those 3 weeks. I've set one up for each class. And when you start the assessment, it's open for 1 hour, and then you've got to answer the 3 questions. Okay, one question is quite big, and the first 2 are medium size. Okay, so they're essay-based questions, and you have to go through them. Okay, what you have to do is be able to define these sorts of terms, and it'll tell you how many they're worth. So you have to come up with definitions of sports psychology. You'll also have to come up with definitions for the 5 main examples here, and give maybe a relevant example in a sports or fitness context about each of these key definitions. You will also be asked about why it's important for coaches or coaching people in that environment to be aware of these various components in sports psychology. So be quite generic on that. You don't have to go into specific detail, but just give examples of a couple of them. And then you'll have another question that's talking about the actual training environment and how each of these different components will affect athletes or fitness clients in their performance. Okay, so 3 main different questions, not specifically in the order of the slides. Obviously, I can't give you that, but you need to be able to demonstrate all of this. Okay, like I said, the assessment will open up, and you've got 1 hour to complete it. It's an essay-based question, so off you go. If you struggle with technology and computers for whatever reason and you're having issues, email me. What you can do is look at the questions and then write them down on paper and then submit it to me if you're really, really struggling. But you need to confirm to me beforehand that that's what you're doing. You can't just then do it because you might not then have completed it in the 1 hour, okay? I need to know when you're doing it and you're under sort of a slight, it is because it's a restricted response paper. Okay, so that's basically everything for the first assessment. And then after Easter in week 5, I'll put on some more content, and then we'll start going into week 6 and week 7, talking about, and I'll set you up the next assessments from there. Okay, so that's the assessments. Any questions, email me or get onto Slack. Please get onto Slack. It's really easy. Dead easy to send me direct messages. Good responses can be put up for the whole class to see on terms of the assessments. It's really, really worthwhile doing. Okay, thanks very much, guys. Speak to you soon. Bye.